Versa Alas, si Spac once again. Nandito tayo sa Muñoz. Ito po yung kahabaan ng Muñoz. Nandun lang po ang LRT station, Roosevelt, Muñoz. Ito po yung papuntang monumento sa may SM. Pag nasa SM monumento po kayo, Roosevelt, Muñoz. Ito lang po ang new arrival. Ukay-ukay, Muñoz, Inoya Passion, new arrival. Ukay-ukay. Welcome, Inoya Passion, Muñoz. New arrival, ukay-ukay, Alas in. Nike Air Max Bubble, size 9, price 1,280. Nike Air Max Bubble, Adidas shoes, size 9.5, price 1,280. Size 9.5, Adidas shoes, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Puma shoes, size 5, price 1,280. Puma shoes, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Nike Presto, price 980, size 8.5. Nike Presto, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Nike shoes, running shoes, price 1,280, size 11. Nike running shoes, Converse shoes, size 7.5, price 1,280. Converse shoes. Adidas shoes, price 1,280, size 9. Adidas shoes. Converse shoes, triple black, price 880, size 6.5. Converse shoes, triple double black, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Merrell shoes, price 980, size 8. Merrell shoes. New Balance, price 1,280, size 9. New Balance shoes, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Nike shoes, price 1,580, size 9.5. Nike shoes. Nike Air Max Bubble, price 1,580, size 10. Nike Air Max Bubble, Y3 Yamamoto Adidas, price 1,580, size 9.5. Adidas Boost Yamamoto. Nike Presto, price 1,580, size 9.5. Nike triple double black. Adidas Ultra Boost, size 6, price 980. Adidas Ultra Boost, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Asics Gel Triple White, price 1,280, size 10. Asics Gel Triple double white. Converse shoes, size 8.5, price 1,280. Converse shoes. Adidas size 10.5, price 1,280. Adidas. Champion shoes triple white, price 980, size 5. Champion shoes triple double white. Nike Vapor Max Air Bubble size 7, price 1,280. Nike Air Max Bubble. Converse shoes size 8, price 1,280. Converse shoes. Adidas Boost Triple Black, price 1,280. Size 10. Adidas Triple Double Black. Converse shoes size 5, price 680. Converse shoes. Adidas Tri-Macul, price 1,280. Size 10. Adidas Tri-Macul. New Balance, price 1,580. Size 10. New Balance, new arrival, ukay. Nike Air Force 1 Triple White, price 1,280. Size 9.5. Nike Air Force 1 Triple Double White. Adidas Boost size 6, price 680. Adidas Boost. Nike Air Max Bubble, price 680. Size 7. Nike Air Max Bubble. Adidas Ultra Boost, price 980. Size 6.5. Adidas Ultra Boost, new arrival, ukay. Ma'am, sir, ito po yung new arrival bag. Marami po yung pagpipilian. New arrival bag and garments. New arrival. Ito po yung lawak ng ukay na Inoya Fashion. Welcome, Inoya Fashion. New arrival bag, Inoya Fashion, Muñoz. Ito po yung lawak ng bag nila, naka new arrival. Thank you, Inoya Fashion, ukay, new arrival. Ma'am, ito pa rin yung mga jacket nila na pagpipilian. New arrival. Ito pa rin yung mga garments nila, mga jacket. Kompleto po yan, na pagpipilian nyo po. New arrival, ukay, Inoya Fashion. Thank you, Inoya Fashion. New Balance, price 780, size 8.5. New Balance shoes. Converse shoes, size 8.5, price 1,280. Converse shoes. Vans shoes, size 12, price 1,280. Vans shoes, size 8, price 680. Vans. Adidas MMD, price 1,280, size 8.5. Adidas Boost MMD. Nike Air Max, price 1,280, size 8. Nike Air Max. Adidas Ultra Boost, price 680, size 6. Adidas Ultra Boost. Nike Air Force 1, price 1,280, size 9. Nike Air Force 1. Adidas size 9.5, price 1,280. Adidas new arrival, ukay. Nike Air Max Bubble, price 680, size 5. Nike Air Max. Converse shoes, price 1280, size 7.5. Converse shoes model. Adidas MMD Boost, price 1280, size 6.5. Adidas MMD Boost. Nike Cortez triple white, price 580, size 6. Nike Cortez triple double white. Band shoes, price 780, size 8. Band shoes, new arrival, ukay. Pila shoes, size 7.5, price 880. Pila shoes. Adidas Ultra Boost, price 680, size 8. Adidas Ultra Boost. Band shoes, size 8.5, price 1280. Band shoes, new arrival, ukay. Adidas Stan Smith, price 680, size 5. Adidas Stan Smith. Nike shoes, size 7, price 1280. Nike shoes. Onitsuka Tiger, size 4, price 680. Onitsuka Tiger, ukay, new arrival. Nike Jordan, size 12, price 28. Nike Jordan. Pwersa alas, isang magandang hapon sa Inoya Fashion. New arrival, ukay, Muñoz. Alas, back to back. Thank you Inoya Fashion.